Assalamu alaikum. Myself Ansari Safiya from Department of Physics, J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Dear student, today we have to study crystal structure. Among 7 crystal systems, the cubic crystal is the simplest. The unit cell of a cubic structure is a cube. There are 3 types of unit cells, namely simple cubic, second body-centered cubic BCC, and third face-centered cubic, that is FCC. First one, simple cubic structure. In this type of crystal structure, the unit cell has one atom at each corner of the cube as shown in figure. Now figure shows cube. Now there are 8 corners of the cube and 8 atoms are situated at each corner of the cube as shown in figure. Now this is the simplest of all structure. The only element that display simple cubic structure at a regular temperature and pressure is the rare, extremely radioactive polonium. Now second one is body-centered cubic structure. In this type of crystal structure, there are 8 atoms situated at each corner of the cube and 1 atom at the center of the body. Now the example of this type of structure are iron, tungsten, molybdenum, chromium, alkali metals like sodium, lithium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. Now figure shows this structure. In figure we see that 8 atoms are situated at 8 corners of the body and 1 atom is at the center of the body. Now third type of structure, that is face-centered cubic structure. In this type of crystal structure, the unit cell has an atom at each corner of the cube and in addition has 1 atom at the center of each face. Now in figure we see that 8 atoms are situated at 8 corners of the cube and 1 atom at the center of each face. Now the example of this type of structure are copper, silver, gold, aluminium, nickel, platinum, etc. Thank you.